Recycle bin showing $R file names? Your files are safe, and in this video, I'll show you every fix. Let's get started.
Here's what's happening. You delete a file, and it lands in the recycle bin with its real name. But when you click delete, the confirmation dialog shows something strange. Instead of report docx, it shows $R9K06N2. That is not your file name. The good news? Your files are not lost. This is a display bug from the June 9th, 2026 update, KB5094.126.
Before you change anything, confirm it's just a display bug. Open the recycle bin. The list still shows real names. Right-click any file, choose Restore, and it comes back with its original name. Nothing is corrupted, so let's move on to the real fix.
The best fix is the official one. Press Windows key plus I to open Settings. Click Windows Update in the left sidebar. Then click Check for Updates. Install the latest update, which contains the official fix, KB5101650, released July 14th, 2026. Restart when prompted. And that's it. The delete dialog shows real file names again.
If you can't update right now, restart Windows Explorer. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer under Windows Processes. Right-click it and choose Restart. The taskbar reloads in a second. Still seeing the bug? Then restart your PC.
Another option is to uninstall the June update. Go to Settings, Windows Update, then Update History. Under Related Settings, click Uninstall Updates. Find your June update and click Uninstall. On 24H2 and 25H2, that's KB5094.126. On 23H2, it's KB50939998. On 26H1, it's KB50955051. Then restart. You can also uninstall from the command line with WUSA or from Windows Recovery Environment if your PC won't boot. One warning: uninstalling removes 208 security patches and several are critical, so reinstall updates as soon as the fix is available.
Running Windows 11 Enterprise? Contact Microsoft Support for Business. They provide an official temporary workaround for affected devices. Home users should stick with Solution 2.
One advanced option remains. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run this command. RD space /S space /Q space $recycle.bin. Warning: this deletes all recycle bin contents for every user on the drive. And community reports say it may not survive a reboot. Only try this if solutions 2 through 4 have failed.
So why did this happen? Windows doesn't keep your file name in the recycle bin. When you delete report docx, Windows renames it to $R9K06N2. That's the file data. A second file, $I9K06N2, stores the metadata, the real name, the original path, and the deletion date. File Explorer normally reads that metadata and shows you the real name. The June update broke that lookup in the delete dialog, so the dialog showed the raw storage name instead. It's a display-only bug. Your files, names, and restore are untouched.
Which versions were affected? Windows 11 23H2, 24H2, 25H2, and 26H1. Also Windows 10 22H2 and LTSC, plus Windows Server. Here's the timeline. June 9th, KB5094.126 shipped with 208 security fixes. June 18th, Microsoft confirmed the bug. June 23rd, a partial fix arrived in KB5095.093, though Windows 10 was delayed. And July 14th, the full fix landed in KB5096.5.
One more tip. Windows 11, 24H2 Home and Pro editions stop receiving updates on October 13th, 2026. If you're still on 24H2, upgrade to 25H2 so you keep getting fixes like this one.
Let's recap. Your files are safe. This is a display bug. Install the latest updates for the official fix. No updates yet? Uninstall KB5094126 or restart Explorer as a stopgap and keep Windows Update on. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have questions.